The Trojan horse is a classic tale of subterfuge and social engineering. And this is a tale that dates all the way back to the Trojan War, many thousands of years ago, somewhere around 1188 BC by best estimates. As the tale goes, after a fruitless 10-year siege in which the Greeks were attacking the city of Troy, they ultimately constructed a wooden horse and filled it with a force of soldiers, after which the Greeks left the horse as an offering to the city. The Greeks then pretended to sail away, and the Trojans retrieved the horse, dragging it into the walled fortress as a symbol of their victory. But as night fell, the men emerged from the Trojan horse, and the Greeks sailed back under the cover of night and consequently conquered the city, decisively ending the war. It was a trick. The Greeks had fooled the Trojans into thinking that they were making a gesture of goodwill, a token of defeat, yet all the while having an ulterior motive and relying on the Trojans letting their guard down and being foolish enough to think that they had indeed won the war. This is a social engineering pattern that you're going to see multiple times throughout this course. The attacker, being the Greeks, fooling the victim, the Trojans, into believing the gesture they made, letting their guard down, becoming relaxed, feeling as though they were in control, and when their victim was at their most unprepared, the true intent behind the Greeks' gesture became clear, and the rest is now history. We'll see many similar examples of manipulating people into performing actions that they wouldn't otherwise have done had they used their better judgment, simply by clever social engineering. Let's move on and clearly define this and talk about why social engineering is the soft center within so many of our information systems.